Ever wondered who's bringing the laughs and shilling for insurance in those quirky Geico commercials? Let's dive into the world of Geico advertising and uncover the faces, and sometimes the creatures, behind the spots. Geico is famous for its memorable commercials that are designed to grab your attention. The key to Geico's marketing success, it's all about variety. They don't stick to the same formula. You'll see actors both famous and new, animated characters you can't forget, and often, scenarios that are downright silly but memorable. This is done to grab people's attention, and it works. Sometimes, Geico uses popular celebrities. They will choose someone that aligns with their brand, someone instantly recognizable to a large audience. This gives the commercials a fresh, contemporary feel and provides a ton of free publicity. Then there are the animated superstars. Think the Geico. This little guy has been a mainstay for years. He's become a mascot, a symbol of the brand. These characters create a consistent brand identity and build familiarity. The commercials themselves are usually focused on promoting their various products: car insurance, home insurance, and more. It's a clever mix of humor, memorable characters, and product placement, all designed to drive home the message of savings. So, the next time you see a Geico commercial, remember it's designed to draw you in, make you laugh, and ultimately, sell you on their services. Now you know a bit more about who you're watching during those commercial breaks.